and welcome back to Tech Stack channel.
We'll try to explore one more new topic. So here the thing is how we can hide the sheets, okay, and unhide the sheets. So for that purpose, take this the line of syntax, this workbook dot sheets of. So which sheet you want to hide? So take that sheet. So as of now, I want to hide this sheet one. Sorry, sheet two. So let me take sheet two dot hidden. Hidden equals to true. Okay, this is a one method. I will show you another method as well. Okay, let me run this. So if I run, okay, dot hidden, okay, dot visible, not hidden, dot visible. So visible equals to false. Sorry, visible equals to false. So you can see that sheet 2 is not able to see here. Okay, when I go and check here unhide, so I'm able to see sheet here. So if I want to don't show here as well for the purpose, so you need to view here. One command is a Excel very hidden. Okay. Now when I run this, so just observe here. So I'm able to see here sheet as well. So if I run this code, this snippet of line, so you cannot able to see the sheet here. So unhide. So you are not able to see. So whatever the sheets are now, it's hidden. So another person not able to see that. Okay. If you want to show that particular sheet, just visible equals to true. Okay. So let me run this syntax. And you can see this. The sheet one, okay, sheet two, you are able to extract. Okay. Now let me put all together. So this is for fail false. This is for hidden. Hide. This is for unhide. And we have the one more command now. So this is for Excel very hidden. So no one will see hide sheets. Okay, this is a one method. So similar way we have the another method. So let me show you that as well. So here basically we give the true. So instead of this, you can give this. Let me Excel hidden. Okay, when I add this, so you can the sheet got hide. So when I run this, you can see this hide. So you can use true or false, or you can use hidden. Okay, and similar way, if you want visible that sheet, so you need to view here Excel visible. So how we can get this downside now? So just press Control plus space bar. So how we are doing in UI, sorry, UI path. So similarly, you can just Control plus space bar. You can see this text. So when I run now this sheet, you are able to Excel visible. So when I use this command, so I'm getting this error. So let me go with Excel sheet visible. So you can take this command and now let me run the both commands at once. So this is sheet has hidden and you can see this unhide. So this is the method how we can go with the sheet hide and unhide. If you want to very hidden, so you can use this is the one.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.